describe Bachchan that will be played by our students.
Hello sir, welcome to PIS Besa Nagpur. It's great to have you with us.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here and address this young minds and the future of our country.
Sir, you are an inspiration for us. Your poems will always give us wisdom which we all need in our lives. One of my favorite poem of yours is "Tu na thakega kabhi, tu na rukega kabhi." It's such an inspirational poem, sir. We would like to know more about you and motivate our students by your talk.
It's so wonderful to address this young crowd.
Can you share some things about your childhood?
Yes, I was born in an ordinary Kayastha family in a small town near Allahabad. I was the eldest son of my father, Shri Pratap Narayan Srivastav, and mother, Saraswati Devi. I was called Bachchan, which means childlike at home, and since then I have used my last name Bachchan instead of Srivastav.
Can you say something about your schooling and education?
Yes, I received my formal schooling from a municipal school and followed the family tradition of learning Urdu as a career language. I later studied in Allahabad University and Banaras Hindu University, where I was influenced by the independence movement under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi.
Sir, we would like to know more about your education journey.
Yes, realizing that it was not the path I wanted to follow, I went back to university. From 1941 to 1952, I was in English department at Allahabad University. And I spent my next 2 years at Cambridge University doing my doctoral thesis.
Great. Sir, is it true that you are the second Indian to get your doctorate in English literature from Cambridge?
Yes, well, it definitely is a lesser known fact.
Sir, most of us know one of your inspirational poems, Agnipat, which was used as title and theme for 1991 blockbuster movie Agnipat, featuring your superstar son Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes, that is one of my favorite poems too.
A few of our students would like to recite your favorite poem. Maybe?
Yes, for sure.
वृक्ष हो भले खड़े हो तने हो बड़े एक पत्र छांवी मांग मत अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ
तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न रुकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी। कर शपथ कर शपथ कर शपथ, अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ।
यह मान दृश्य है यह मान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्रु स्वेद रक्त से लथपथ लथपथ लथपथ, अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ।
So thank you and goodbye.